Class 8, Grammar, Chapter 1, Articles, page number 3. Use of definite article. Let us start with the first point given there. The is used before a noun when it is repeated after it has been referred to earlier. For example, a man and a boy were walking down a road. The boy was a man's son. Here, the definite article the is used when we speak of a particular person or thing or someone or something that has already been referred to. Okay, in the example, you can see two sentences. The first sentence, a man and a boy were walking down a road. In this particular sentence, we are talking about a man and a boy. And in the second sentence, the boy was a man's son. We are referring to the same boy and the same man which is said in the first sentence. Okay, in the second sentence, we are referring to the same boy, that particular boy and that particular man itself which is being referred to in the first sentence. That is why we are using the boy and the man in the second sentence. We are referring to the same boy and same man which is said in the first sentence. Now let us look the second point. The is used before a noun which is one of its kind in a given situation. Example, the principal is in his office. Here, the principal is used, isn't it? The principal is in his office. In that particular school office, there is only one principal, which means one of its kind. Only one principal is there. So, we are using the principal. The post office is half a kilometer from here. In that particular area, there is only one post office. So, we are using the post office. Now, the third point given there. The is used before a noun made definite by addition of a phrase or a clause. Let us look at the example. The place where I met her. Here, the place is the noun. And the noun place is made definite by addition of a phrase, and the phrase here is where I met her. So, place is a noun and where I met her is a phrase. So, in this particular sentence, the noun place is made definite by the addition of a phrase. So, we are using the place. Same way, the man on the horse. On the horse is a phrase and man is a noun. And the noun is made definite by the addition of a phrase. So, we are using the man. Same way, the boy who won the prize. Who won the prize is a phrase and the noun is boy. So, we are using the boy. Now, the next point. The is used when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class. For example, the cuckoo is a lazy bird. Here, the cuckoo refers to a whole class of cuckoo, not to a particular or single bird. It refers to the whole class of cuckoos. So, we are using the cuckoo. Same way, let us look the third example given there. The cow is a useful animal. All cows are useful, isn't it? It is not referring to a particular cow or a single cow. It refers to the whole class of cows. So, we are using the. Now, the next point. The is used as an adverb in such sentences as the following. The more the merrier, the fewer the better. The more one has, the more one wants. Here, the is used as an adverb. Let us look the next point. The is used before the names of rivers. For example, the Indus, the Thames. Then the is used before the name of seas. For example, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Then it is used before the names of oceans. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Then the is used before the names of mountain ranges. Example, the Himalayas. Then groups of islands. For example, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then plural names of countries. The is used before plural names of countries. For example, the Netherlands, the USA, the United Kingdom, the UAE. Last point in that particular page. The is used before the names of certain well-known books. For example, the Bible. We will not say simply Bible, the Bible. The Vedas, the Quran, the Iliad. Now, page number 4, the first point given there. The is used before the names of newspapers and magazines. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Time, they are all names of newspapers. So, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Then magazines, it is used before the names of magazine. The Modern Language Review, it is the Modern Language Review. Now the second point, the is used before the names of public buildings, institutions and association. For example, the Taj Mahal is the name of a building, isn't it? So the Taj Mahal, the National Museum, the University of London, it's the name of an institution. The United Nations, it's the name of an association. Now let us look the next point. The is used before the names of peoples, families and adjectives formed from proper nouns. For example, the English language, the Turkish baths, the French, the Chinese. Here the French means the Frenchmen. Okay, the French here means the Frenchmen, the people living in France. The Chinese here means people living in China. Then the Nehrus, the Stuarts, it's the name of a family. Now the next point, the is used before ordinals and superlatives. For example, the 15th. Here 15th is an ordinal. So the 15th. Same way, the third occasion, the third. The fifth time, the fifth. Now the is used before superlatives also. Do you know what an adjective is? Do you know the 3 degrees of comparison? The positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. So before superlative degree of adjective, we will use the. For example, today is the hottest day. Hot, hotter, hottest. The hottest. Same way, this is the most useful book on the subject. The most useful. Understood? The most useful. Most useful is actually a superlative degree. So, the most useful. This is the least useful. The least. Least is a superlative degree. So, the least. Now, the next point. The is used before a proper noun, but only when it is qualified by an adjective or by a phrase or clause used as an adjective. Let us look the example. The immortal Shakespeare. Here, Shakespeare is a proper noun. It's the name of a person, isn't it? Shakespeare is a proper noun and it is qualified by an adjective. What is the adjective used here? Immortal. Okay, so Shakespeare is a proper noun and it is qualified by an adjective immortal. Then we will say the immortal Shakespeare. But we will not say the Shakespeare. But if you are using an adjective there, then we can use the immortal Shakespeare. Next one, the wise Solomon. Solomon is also a proper noun because it's the name of a person. And wise is an adjective used there to qualify Solomon. So we can use the wise Solomon. Same way, Napoleon is the name of a person. It is a proper noun and it is qualified by an adjective. What is adjective there? Famous is an adjective. So, the famous Napoleon. Caesar is the name of a person. It's a proper noun and it is qualified by an adjective there. What is an adjective used there? Great. So, the great Caesar. Now, let us check the next point. The is used before an adjective used as a noun. Here, the rich ought to help the poor. The rich. Rich here is actually an adjective which is used as a noun. So, the rich. Same way, the second one, the wise. The wise. Wise is actually a adjective, but it is used as a noun. So, the wise. Next, the is used before common nouns of which there is only one. For example, the sun. Sun. Only one sun is there. So, we can use the sun. The moon. Only one moon is there. The moon. Earth. Only one earth, so the earth. Sky, only one sky is there, the sky. The North Pole, the pole star, everything only one of its kind. So we can use the before them. Next point, before the names of ships and trains, we use the. For example, the Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. It's the name of a ship. Queen Elizabeth is the name of a ship, so the Queen Elizabeth. The Himalayan Queen runs from Delhi to Shimla every day. The Himalayan Queen is the name of a train, so the Himalayan Queen.